So here we have the Volkswagen Tiguan on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 36,586. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, but there are other menus available to you. So assist systems, your navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back around to where we started a moment ago. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using are just here. We have stereo controls there as well, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, you can hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically, depending on the car in front's speed. And then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So you can access your radio menu, which is the one we're on at the moment. You see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. You can hit media if you want to access your own music. And again, loads of ways to listen to your own music in this car. And they include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. And then pairing your phone is done by hitting the phone button and following the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed and determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in up here. When you're happy with those settings, the air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will override auto and allow you to put it back on your own settings here. Beneath that, we have two USB inputs, auxiliary input, and a 12-volt charging socket, a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons here. So we've got the electronic handbrake with auto hold function. This button starts and stops the engine. And over this side, we can turn our parking sensors on and off. This car has autonomous parking, meaning it's able to park itself. All you have to do is follow the instructions up on screen here. And then the last button down there is to turn off the stop and start for this car. So it's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. And finally, if I put the car into reverse, you'll also see a full color reversing camera as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.